Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the notifications in the Wish application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And click on the notifications button. And here you can see you can set your notifications for several topics. So for example, your orders, deals and promotions, and rewards. So just click the white button on whichever you want to get notifications. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.